Hey guys, so I tried the #1 phone cleaner app on the Play Store so you don't have to. And what I found is that these apps might be doing more harm than good. So cleaner apps have been around since the very first days of Android. And back then, maybe it made sense to have a utility that was constantly maintaining your phone. But now, with modern CPUs and massive amounts of RAM, you have to ask yourself, what's the point? So I decided to test CCleaner for Android. And right out of the gate, there was a major deal breaker. Before I could even use the app, I was hit with a prompt to buy a subscription. But once you get past that, the app's wizard asks for total access. So your files, your apps, and pretty much everything under the hood. Then after scanning, the app gates the most important features like clearing hidden cache behind a paywall. So it's pretty disappointing to see the actual cleaning part of a cleaner app being locked away. But it gets weirder. The app then suggested that I delete empty folders like podcasts, alarms, and ringtones. So here's the thing, Android creates those by design. So it's like cleaning out a junk drawer only for someone in your house to put more junk in that same spot 5 minutes later. So it's definitely a waste of time. And unless you know what you're doing, wiping app data like this is usually a recipe for disaster. So after it tries to get you to delete folders your phone actually needs, we move on to advanced issues, which, as you guessed it, are also locked behind a paywall. Plus, their dashboard is essentially just a big ad board for installing other apps. So you're giving up full permissions to your data, being asked for money, and getting ads in return. My recommendation, look at what you already have. Most modern Android phones, especially from Google and Samsung, do this for you. Plus, they put the battery drainers to sleep automatically. So if you open the Files app that came with your phone, you'll find almost the same exact functionality for free. You can wipe old backups, your outdated screenshots, not to mention those 2 gig meme videos you downloaded a long time ago. So you can clear gigs and gigs of space without spending any money. CCleaner is also available for Windows and Mac, with no support for Linux. Probably because they know we would just write a script to do it ourselves. But for Android users, don't forget about the power of using ADB. So I have done a video showing you how you can use your computer to run commands on your phone via a USB cable or even wirelessly using your Wi-Fi. You can automate the entire cleaning process using simple commands. It's faster, safer, and gives you total transparency. So skip the bloatware and use the tools you already own. Thanks for watching. For more deep dives into Android or how to actually optimize your tech, please consider subscribing to this channel.